In this video, I'll be showing you where the spare tire and jack stand is located on a Honda Odyssey 2005 to 2010. On the trunk of the driver's side, you'll see a little cover. This is where the jack stand and tools are located. There's two locations where the spare tire could be. In the second row, there's a little compartment under the floor mat. This is where the spare tire could be. The second location and most common is on top of the jack stand tools. Place your hand right here and you should be able to remove the panel. To remove the spare tire, spin the tire holder and it should come right out.